welcome to Anna's Puzzle Corner. We're not going to be doing a puzzle today. What we are going to be doing is reviewing this really cool animated cat. This is Eek the cat, and it's by Mindscope. This is really cool. It's plug and play. Let's go ahead, open it up, see what's in there, and see what she does. So you'll see Eek the cat, the instructions, the little ears. There's the other ear. And the USB cord. And that's all there is. To connect this to the wall, you'll just use any regular USB adapter. There she is. This ear looks like it goes on this side. And here's the other ear. Okay, so let me just grab a USB adapter and we'll try her out. Okay, so this is the front of her. This is the back. The back, you have your speaker. You've got your volume, lower, raise it. This is your skip button in the middle, so you can skip forward to the next action. You're on and off, and this is where you'll plug in your USB cord. Okay, so let's go ahead, test her out. I'm gonna turn her on.
Having done the St. James Infirmary to see my mistress there, she had been recently turned into a pumpkin, so pale, so orange, so fair. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she may search this wide world over and never find a sweet cat like me.
Oh, the animation's great.
When I die, please bury me in my high-top Stetson hat. Put a $20 gold piece on my collar chain, so my gang will know I died standing pat. Have on the 6 crap shooters for my pallbearers. When the last breath of summer is a dying song, when the wind grows chill and shadows long, when the darkness, who's that girl creeping through the shadows, glowing eyes, beautiful and yellow, softest. The night was mighty dark, so you could hardly see, for the moon refused to shine. Couple sitting.
Well, as you can see, she works really good. I like her. I think I'm going to keep her, and I'll probably display her not just Halloween, but probably more often than that. So thanks again for watching the channel. This is by Mindscope. You can order it on Amazon, eBay. You can probably find it at the stores closer to Halloween. So thanks again.